Back with another Rivet video tutorial. Oh yeah, I love these things. This time, it's how to utilize labor request templates. Access this feature by navigating to the Workforce view. Then, Requests at the top. You'll see the familiar Sort and Filter bar here. On the right side of the page, you'll see these two buttons, Create New Template and Request Labor. A labor request template gives your team the ability to gather information needed to fulfill a labor request. For example, creating a template with attributes a worker must have to fulfill this labor request might be useful. Does this worker need a welding cert? When fulfilling this labor request, does the worker need to be from a specific area, to be of a specific age, or have certain badge credentials? Once a labor request template is made, it can be attached to future labor requests without having to type this information out every time. Let's walk through that workflow. This drop-down gives you access to either create a new template or manage your existing templates. We're going to create one. Name the template and create it. There you go. Be sure to save your changes. Your previously created templates will live here on the left-hand side. Now we'll go through the intended workflow when a labor request is created. There are many ways to request labor in Rivet. This time, we're going to work out of the roster board. First, we'll hover next to the position that we need to request labor for. Click this arrow to access the drop-down and choose Add Multiple Placeholders. The job will be pre-selected. The role will also be pre-selected, but editable at this stage. Remember, you can add as many placeholders as you need in one go. Set them up until the end of the job or choose for a set duration. Pick your labor source, internal, external, or undecided. If you know the field leader this worker will be reporting to, you can search for them here and add that information to this request. Finally, the template. The person requesting labor will choose the corresponding template and fill it out, being sure to hit save once they're done. In turn, the individual fulfilling this labor request will now have additional information at their disposal when going to decide which worker, be it internal or external, to fill this labor request with. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to Rivet's customer success team. And I hope the rest of your day is great.